Hey everyone, this is Juhi and I'm from Delhi. And first of all, sorry for my voice because today I am also not well and my throat is choked. And you can see my face here. I have a pimple and yes, I have a fever and sorry for that. And yes, but I didn't quit my this journey. Sorry, I don't quit my this journey, and I can't speak properly. But yes, I don't want to quit my this journey, so I am making this video for. And today, you know what, guys? Today I find my old tripod and this mic, and yes, it is a tuta futa. It is a incomplete, but I am making this video. From this mic and tripod is in a good condition, but this mic is not. But I want to check that it is working properly or not. Okay, so guys, today I saw a video in a morning on YouTube, and there one lady do a experiment to improve articulation. You know what articulation? The way of a speaking. Okay. Today, sorry, that lady talk about articulation, and there uh, in this video she is talking about uh, trick trick to improve our articulation. So I also want, first of all, my many friends tell me that uh, I speak in a 4x speed. So guys, from the day from today, I want to improve my sorry, I want to slow my uh, mm, speaking speed. So guys, trying uh, now I am trying that trick uh, uh, in that trick. Okay, so in this trick, first of all, I have to put this mic. Okay, okay. um, in this trick we need a book. Okay, and I want also improve my articulation. That's why I experiment this trick. And sometimes I am mumble, sometimes I also mumble. So yes, I am doing this trick, and let's see what will benefit from this trick. Okay, so yes, for this trick you have a book, and you have a pen, and for sure that it is a clean. Okay, because we put this pen like in our mouth for 5 minutes, reading this book for 5 minutes with this pen in my mouth. After 5 minutes I read same page without this pen. Okay, and then we will find what will improve in my articulation or in my speaking speed. Okay, so yes, now I am start this experiment. Okay, so first of all I should clean this pan properly because it is my tuition pen. Okay, so this pen. Okay, so I put this pen on my mouth. Okay, now I will this 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 many scientists realize the true importance of the subconscious mind. Addition work on it think fond care, Einstein, and many others have used the subconscious mind. It has given them the insight and the know-how for their great achievements in modern science and industry. Research has shown that the ability to bring into action the subconscious power has determined the success of all the great scientific research workers and instance of how a famous chemist Friedrich von Staudinger used his subconscious mind to solve his problem is as follows. He had been working laboriously for a long time trying to rearrange the six carbon and the six hydrogen atoms of the benzene formula, and he was constantly perplexed and unable to solve the matter. Tired and exhausted, he turned the request over completely to his subconscious mind. Shortly afterward, as he was about to board a London bus, his subconscious presented his conscious mind with a sudden flash of snake biting its own tail and turning around like a pinwheel. This answer from his subconscious mind gave him a long thought answer of a circular rearrangement of the atoms that is known as a benzene ring. How a disorganized scientist brought forth his invention. Nikola Tesla was a brilliant electrical scientist who brought forth the most amazing innovation. When an idea for a new invention came into his mind, he would read it up in his. So, guys, I read this whole page, okay, whole page with this pen in my mouth. You can see in a starting I was mumble. My voice is not clear, and my voice is not clear, but uh, uh, when I was reading continue in the end, you can see that my voice is gonna clear. Okay, so in this in sorry in that video, that lady that lady told the people that when we put this pen in our mouth, it improve our articulation by because when we put this pen in our mouth can open larger than before. Okay, so yes, now I am reading this again. You can see this page without pen. Okay, many scientists realize the true importance of a subconscious mind. Addition, Marconi, Catherine, Poincare, Einstein, and many others have used the subconscious mind. It has given them the insight and know-how for all their great achievements in modern science and industry. Research has shown that the ability to bring into action and subconscious power has determined the success of all the great scientific and research workers. An instance of how a famous chemist Friedrich von Staudinger used his subconscious mind to solve his problem is as follows. He had been working laboriously for a long time trying to rearrange the six carbon and six hydrogen atoms of a benzene formula. He was constantly perplexed and unable to solve the matter. Tired and exhausted, he turned the request over completely to his subconscious mind. Shortly afterward, as he was about to board a London bus, his subconscious presented his conscious mind with a sudden flash of a snake biting its own tail and turning around like a wheel. The answer from his subconscious mind gave him a long sought answer of a circular rearrangement of the atoms that is known as a benzene ring. How our disguised scientist brought forth his invention. Nikola Tesla was a brilliant electrical scientist who brought forth the most amazing innovation when an idea for a new invention came into his mind. He would build it up in his. Okay, so guys, I read this book, not this book on this page till here. Okay, so yes, I really feel so calm because firstly I speak in a 4x speed, but now when I do this experiment, I found myself that I am a now I speak calmly, calmly and slowly. Okay, then before. Okay, so yes, I'm doing this experiment on my daily basis. I will do. Okay, and if you so tell me in a comment box that have you change have you change in my have you noticed change in my mm, uh, speaking speed and my articulation. So uh, i I do follow this experiment for 21 days. Okay, and will tell you how will improve my articulation. Okay, so I think this video and I think this video should end here, and thank you for watching. We'll meet you in a next video. Till then, namaste, thank you for watching, and bye bye.